Okay, I really need to stop doing this. Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Jasleen, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So, I'm a sucker for these things, and I thought I'd just share with you. We'll just want to address it, okay? Anyway, I'm still working with some leftover store credit that I had at Chanel, so I thought I'd spend it wisely. So there was an item that I always had on my wish list, something that I always was attracted to, but I just never wanted to spend the money on it because at the time I just thought for what it is, it was quite expensive. But then in the grand scheme of things, I've spent more money on other items, and so in comparison, it seemed a lot cheaper. So anyway, we'll go back into it. So we're gonna open up the packaging, and this is actually a classic item. I didn't know that. Like, it seems to come back every year. And so I had asked my sales associate, and they said that they did have it in stock, so it was really great. Inside I've got my receipt, and it's a little box, and if you already know, you're like, why are you doing this? I know guys, but I visualize myself wearing this. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you, okay? Camellia, we have a nice camellia on the front there. I'm gonna put that inside. We're gonna undo the ribbon. And I did a poll on my Insta stories asking if I should get this, so if you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably know what this is. But here is the box. So the majority of you said to go for it. So we're gonna open it up. Comes in a little dust pouch. And here it is. You can just see how it just glistens. It is so pretty. The nice thing about this particular brooch, and you're gonna say like, oh my gosh, you already have so many brooches. I know, but this is special. And I don't have anything that's this color. And the nice thing about this one is that it has the new clasp. So if you remember in my jewelry collection video, I talked about how the clasps on brooches, they used to have this little turn lock mechanism and all that, but this one, it has a push-in mechanism. So if you can tell, so if you see that right there, so you can just push in and then pull out and go in and out. It's very easy. There's nothing that's small that you have to fiddle with anymore. So the newer ones that are in boutique have that, and it's so shiny. This is going to be super sparkly on black knits and all that. Like, I don't know if you can tell with the camera, but it's just so sparkly and shiny. The reason why I was prompted to get this is because my sister has this and she was wearing it the other day, and then I was like, I need it. And so the price didn't go up on this, so I figured, you know what, they're probably going to jack it up at some point. I have the store credit, I might as well just spend it. So no additional money was spent. I had the store credit, and I just think it's really pretty. I was also kind of inspired to get this because if you looked at the Spring Summer 2021 collection runway, they had sort of something like this as like a little headband, like a little crystal thing on a headband. And I was like, then I thought of this and I was like, you know what, I could probably wear this on a very thin headband. I can pin this on there and then put it on my hair, and it looks so nice. I don't know. I visualize this wearing this on big chunky knits, on scarves, and possibly on a toque or a hat, even though I don't wear toques or knit hats, but then I should, because then I can put this on there. So that is that, and I think after this, I'm done with costume jewelry. I am done. I have all of the iconic pieces. I'm not bidding anymore. Okay, so the next item is from Dior. So this is purchased at the flagship boutique on Bloor Street. It's packaged so lovely. Like as I said before with Dior, I never used to get these stars, but this time I got the little metal star, which is really nice. You know, it's just a little nice touch. They don't have to do that, but it's just nice to get it. Just like with like the camellia flowers with Chanel, like it really does, you know, add that little simple touch. But this is a pair of sunglasses. So there's tissue paper on the top, and for designer sunglasses, they're quite reasonably priced as compared to other brands. So they're just a very special shape. So here is my receipt. So the receipt is a nice paper receipt. If you go to Holt Renfrew, if you go to the department store, like they always give you the thermal paper receipt, which I don't really like, but the paper receipt is nice because it doesn't, you know, deteriorate over time. So I don't own any Dior sunglasses, but this is the packaging. So it comes like this, and there is the little white ribbon on it. So there's like a hard box, and we're gonna open it up. And inside, it's nothing really substantial, but there's the case, and then here, I think this is, I guess, like a little, you know, card, and there's like some there's like a little dust cloth there. So it comes in a soft pouch, and it's got like, you know, faux leather and some sort of velvet there. And you open it up, and inside is the pair of sunglasses. So what I purchased were the 30 Montaigne square sunglasses. Okay, and it's got the Christian Dior more kind of subtle logo, which I like because you can't really tell it's a C&D, but it is a C&D. And I like these on other people. When I was trying them on, and I'm like, they look a little bit daring, but you know what? They're very, very, you know, fashion forward, but it's like literally a shield. So I think they look really cool. They're very lightweight and they look really nice on the side. They come with like the black CD, but it kind of gets lost in the frame. But I really like these. Sadly, they're not polarized. A lot of sunglasses from designer houses aren't polarized, except for Chanel. Chanel has like a polarized option for some of their sunglasses, and I spoke to one of my followers. She's an optometrist, and she explained that there is really no added benefit of having polarized lenses for your eyes. It's for the health of your eyes, it's more about the UVA, UVB protection, which these have, okay? But Louis Vuitton doesn't have polarized sunglasses, as you know, because I have a pair from them. But you can apparently take them to an optical and get them to change the lenses, but it depends on the style. Like, you might lose on the style of the original glasses, but you know, I just really liked them, and I've always wanted to get Dior sunglasses, but the styles never suited me, and these are just very different, very boss looking. Yeah, they're just big and oversized, and they offset the roundness of my face, so I really like that. So yeah, so very fancy, very chic looking as well. So as I was leaving, I was passing by Wolford, and I've never shopped with them before, but I've always wanted to invest in some really great sort of like pantyhose, because I don't really have any. I think the ones that I purchased like from like the drugstore and stuff, they're just like, they snag and stuff. So I've heard they've got really great basics. I heard that they have really good bodysuits. I'm gonna look into getting those. But I purchased a pair of, I guess, tights, or yeah. But these are the, yeah, Pure Shimmer 40 concealer. So this is something that I purchased. These were like 80 bucks. This was kind of expensive for tights, so I'm hoping that they're worth it. So I'll try these out, but I just figured because it's, you know, getting into the colder season, even though we're not really going anywhere, but I tend to not wear a lot of like dresses and skirts and stuff when it gets to fall winter season. And you know, maybe if I had something like this and I can put them on underneath and at least get use out of those items when it's colder. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. These are just like some extra items. I'm so happy that I have this in my collection now, and I justified it because I had the store credit, okay? Anyway, if you like these sort of videos, feel free to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you next time. Bye.